Hi everyone, I want to start a series on how to make money on Fiverr, how to register, what to do, um, what Fiverr really is for, and what are the opportunities you can get from Fiverr. So, and how to create a gig, um, why you need a gig, and how to also sell your services out there. So I'll be doing a very long and lengthy series that covers everything, that covers every single thing in the Fiverr community. And also how to make um, your page rank in the first search box in Fiverr search engine. So subscribe for more. Get ready for the full course. We're posting it in my course on YouTube and also other platforms. So kindly subscribe so that you can see and drop a bell notification so that you can get updates when I release all the series.